Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Miss Chelsea, and today we are going to study subject mathematics for standard second. So, students, in the last video, हमने कौन सा lesson पढ़ा? Do you remember in our last lecture which lesson we saw? Yes, we saw addition and subtraction of zero, right? We saw addition and subtraction of zero. So students, in that lesson, what we saw? Yes, बच्चों, last lesson में हमें क्या पढ़ा? Can you tell me? Yes, हमने देखा कि जब भी कोई हम नंबर 0 से ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर वही नंबर रहेगा. And whenever we add one number, not add, but subtract one number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. So let us see that lesson example now, and after that we are going to start with our actual lesson, that is stories of addition. Okay? So you can open combined book number 2. This is combined book number 2. You can open page number 51. Okay, students? So students, in the last video, we saw whenever we add one number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. So let us see one example of that. So students, as you can see on the blackboard, here I have written two examples. That is 2 plus 0 is equal to. तो बच्चों, मुझे बताओ इसका जवाब क्या होगा? जब भी हम कोई नंबर 0 से ऐड करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Do you know the answer? Yes. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. तो बच्चों हमारा आंसर है 2. ओके? And 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. So students, always keep in mind 0 has no value. So whenever we add one number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. Okay? So 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Okay, students? Yes. So now we are going to see the example of subtraction. That is, whenever we subtract one number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. Let me show you one example. तो बच्चों, और मुझे कौन आंसर बताएगा? What is 7 minus 0? 7 minus 0 इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? Yes, 7 minus 0 will always be 7. Okay, students? 7 minus 0 is 7. So now tell me, what will be the answer of the fourth one? 15 minus 0 is equal to? Yes, 0 has no value. So therefore, the number will remain as it is in the answer form. That is 15 minus 0 is equal equal to 15. Okay, students? Yes. So, students, till now we saw whenever we add one number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. And here we saw whenever we subtract one number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. So students, now we are going to start with our actual lesson, that is Stories of Addition Part 1. Okay? You can open page number 51 from this book. Okay, students? Yes. So you can open page number 51. So now we are going to start with our first sum. So students, altogether there are 8 sums. Okay? Let me count. Yes, there are 8 sums. So in this video, I will try to solve 5 sums and 3 sums you have to solve on your own. Okay? And if you find any difficulty while solving those problems, you can tell me. Okay? So let us start solving our first word problem based on addition. So students, before starting the first sum, we are going to write the lesson's name on the blackboard. That is Stories of Addition. So students, what is first question given to us? Yes. First question is, Manjot planted 14 almond trees. एक लड़का था और उसका नाम है मंजोत. उसने 14 बादाम के ट्रीज अपने गार्डन में प्लांट किए और and 21 guava trees. Along with almond trees, he also planted 21 guava trees. So now we have to find out how many trees did he planted altogether. तो बच्चों, हमें यहाँ क्या दिया गया है? एक लड़का है मंजोत, उसने अपने गार्डन में 14 आलमंड के ट्रीज लगाए और उसके साथ ही उसने 21 गुआवा के ट्रीज भी लगाए. अभी हमें यह फाइंड करना है कुल मिलाकर उसने कितने पौधे अपने गार्डन में लगाए. So first of all, we are going to write our statement. That is, what is given. So बच्चों, मुझे बताओ, what is given to us? He planted 14 almond trees, right? And also planted 21 guava trees. So now what we have to do here? Yes, we should add both the numbers, right? We should add both the numbers. बच्चों, लेकिन हमें यहाँ क्या पूछा गया है? कुल मिलाकर उसने कितने पौधे लगाए? इसके लिए हमें ये दो नंबर ऐड करने होंगे, right? So yes. So first of all, we need to prepare a table, that is units place and tens place. Let me show you. Units place and tens place. So students, first of all, we will place number 14. Then we are going to place 21. So what is 14? 14 trees he planted, right? He planted 14 almond trees. And 21, he planted guava trees. So we are going to plus these both the numbers. So students, always keep in your mind, we should start adding from units place. So tell me, what is 4 plus 1? 4 plus 1 is 5. And 1 plus 2 is 3. So students, our final answer is Manjot planted 35 trees altogether in his garden. Okay? मंजोत ने 35 trees कुल मिलाकर अपने गार्डन में लगाए. Understood students? Yes. So now we are going to see one more sum like this. Okay? Yes. So what is given here? So now I am solving the third question. And second question you solve on your own. Okay? So what is given in the third question? Dada has 15 rupees. Okay? And his aunt gave him 20 more. How many rupees does he have now? अभी हमें यहाँ क्या फाइंड करना है? दादा के पास 15 रुपए है और उसकी दादा की आंटी ने उसे 20 रुपए और दे दिए. अभी हमें यह फाइंड करना है कुल मिलाकर दादा के पास कितने रुपीस हो गए. सो इसलिए वी आर गोइंग टू राइट फर्स्ट आवर स्टेटमेंट, दैट इज दादा हैज 15 rupees. Right? And aunt gave him more 20 rupees. So now what is asked? We have to find the total amount that Dada has. So what we have to do here? Yes, we need to add. So we are going to add right? So what will come under units place and tens place? Yes, number 15. And what will come again under these? 20, right? I told you what is 5 plus 0? 5, right? And 1 plus 2 is 3. तो बच्चों कुल मिलाकर दादा के पास हुए ₹35. So our final answer is Dada has ₹25 altogether. Right? 35 altogether. Right? So what is the final answer? Dada has ₹35 altogether. Right? So now we are going to solve two more sums like these. Okay? Yes. Student, now let us solve the third sum. That is on page number 52. So students, fourth sum you will solve on your own. Okay? Now let us solve the fifth sum. So what is given? There were 18 boxes in the house. Mother brought 11 more boxes from market. How many boxes are there altogether in the house now? So students, हम यहाँ क्या पूछा गया है? एक घर में 18 बॉक्स पहले से ही थे और बाद में माँ ने जाकर मार्केट में जाकर 11 बॉक्स और लाई. Now we have to find out the total number of boxes. So first we will write our statement that is 18 boxes and 11 more boxes. So this is given to us, right? And what is asked? How many boxes are there altogether in the house? Right? So now what we have to find out? Yes, for this we have to add, right? So we are going to add. So number 18, that is 18 boxes were there in the house already, and we are going to add this number with 11 because 11 boxes were brought by mom, right, in the house. So we are going to add both the numbers. So what is 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1 is 9. And tell me, what is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2, right? So students, our final answer is, altogether there are 29 boxes in the house. Okay? कितने boxes है? 29 boxes. Let me explain you one more time. एक घर में 18 बॉक्सेस है, बराबर, और माँ ने 11 बॉक्सेस और लाई घर में, तो कुल मिलाकर कितने बॉक्सेस हुए? यस, कुल मिलाकर हुए 29 बॉक्सेस इन द हाउस. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व वन मोर सम्स बेस्ड ऑन एडिशन. Sajid has 24 eggs and Shabana has 32 eggs. How many eggs in all do they have? तो हमें यहाँ क्या पूछा गया है? क्या दिया है? साजिद के पास 24 एग्स है और शबाना के पास भी 32 एग्स है, तो कुल मिलाकर कितने एग्स है? So now we have to do the total. So first of all, we will write our statement, that is 24 eggs and 32 eggs. 24 eggs are with Sajid and 32 eggs are with Shabana. So what is asked? How many eggs in all do they have? So what shall we do? Yes, we need to add, right? So we will add. Right? I have placed the numbers below the units and tens place. So now we will add from units place, that is 4 plus 2. What is 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 7. Four plus 2 is 6, not 7. Okay? Now we will add from tens place. 2 plus 3 is 5. So students, altogether there are 56 eggs, right? Yes. So now we will solve the last sum. Maria collected 30 coins. Mihir has 24 coins. How many coins do they have altogether? So we are going to write our statement. 30 coins are with Maria and 24 coins are with Mihir. So now what is asked? Total coins, right? So we have to do addition. So we will make the table. Now we are going to place the numbers, right? 30 coins and 24 coins of Mihir. So students, what is 0 plus 4? 0 plus 4 is 4. Right? And 3 plus 2 is 5. So students, our final answer is there are 54 coins altogether. Right? Yes. So students, today we saw the new chapter, that is stories of addition. Right? Yes. So total there were 8 sums, 8 word problems. I have solved 5 word problems and 3 word problems you have to solve on your own. Okay? So for your homework, you have to complete page number 51, 52, 53. Okay? And the last question given is, make a word story for the following addition. So for this sum, you have to make your own story, own word problem and solve the sums. Okay students? And if you find any difficulty, you can tell me. Okay students? Yes. So we will meet in the next lecture with new lesson. Okay? Yes. Thank you.